Hello and welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Avast Secure Browser on your Android phone, like slow performance, glitches, or unwanted settings, it might be time for a full reset. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to open Avast Secure Browser on your Android phone. Tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open the full settings page. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option called Reset Avast Secure Browser. Tap on Reset Avast Secure Browser. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to confirm. The browser will now reset, and all stored data, including history, saved passwords, and settings, will be permanently deleted. That's how to reset Avast Secure Browser on your Android phone. This quick process can solve many problems and give your browser a fresh start. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides.